How to factor a radical function. You get a test, and on your test there's 184. What's the square root of 184? Obviously, 184 is not a square number, so you can't exactly answer that question. What do they want you to do? They want you to factor the radical to its simplest form. Right now, 184 is an even number, so we automatically know it's divisible by 2. So you'll get 2 and 92. When you have this, you're going to circle the 2 because 2 is a prime number, and we're going to do that. We need that for the steps later on. It just makes it easier. 92, again, is an even number, so we're going to divide it by 2. We get 2 and 46. You're going to circle the 2 because that's a prime number. 46, again, is divisible by 2, so we're going to put a 2, and then a 23. Both of those are prime numbers, so that's like the simplest we're going to get, so we're going to circle both of those. Now we've basically just factored out the number 184, like to its simplest form. So we're going to get 184 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 23. We're going to write that out because that's just going to help plan it out easier so that you don't miss any steps. Now, when you have those together, you're going to look for pairs. So right now I see that we have one pair, which is 2 and 2. 2 and 23 don't go together, so we're just going to focus on the first pair. 2 and 2. When you look at a square root, it's basically is it a square number that's in it that can be simplified. 2 times 2 is 4, but 4 is a square number because it's 2 times 2, so that can go on the outside of your radical. Underneath, though, 2 and times 23, they are not the same. That is not a square number, so you're going to put 46 on the inside. That is basically your factored form. It's super easy. So now we're going to have so now we have the square root of 184 is simplified, factored fully, is 2 to the square root of 46. So 184 factored is 2 to the square root of 46. And that's your answer. Easy.